When structural connections matter, every fastener counts. Whether you're building a residential deck, installing a fence, or working on a large-scale timber construction, you need a fastener that delivers strength, speed, and reliability. So bite into this week's feature product, the Strong Drive SDWS timber screws from Simpson Strong Tie. Engineered for demanding wood-to-wood and engineered wood applications, the SDWS screw combines innovative design features that make installation easier while providing exceptional structural performance. The specially engineered sawtooth point quickly bites into the wood, allowing for fast and accurate start with minimal effort. As the screw advances, the sawtooth point reduces installation torque, making the driving easier and places less strain on the user and power tool. The bold thread design provides superior holding power by firmly gripping the wood throughout the connection. It maintains long-term structural integrity. A large washer head allows loads to be distributed across a larger area of the material, providing improved clamping force and stronger structural connections. You'll also notice little nibs under the screw head, which help the screw drive in completely flush to the wood surface, creating a cleaner, more professional looking installation. Protected with a double barrier coating that provides the same corrosion resistance as a hot dip galvanization, the Strong Drive SDWS screw is suitable for many exterior applications where dependable performance against moisture and corrosion are required. Available in 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10-inch lengths, builders are able to choose the right fastener for a wide range of applications. From its bold thread and sawtooth point design to its corrosion-resistant coating and structural versatility, this week's feature product is sure to create the connections that matter most. The Strong Drive SDWS timber screws from Simpson Strong Tie. Who would have thought a screw could be so versatile? Let me know your thoughts on this building powerhouse in the comments below. And be sure to check out our channel often for more great 100% Canadian content. Thanks for watching.